Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download Bigo Live app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to download the app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app. Once you open it, in the search bar simply type in Bigo Live. Once you are done with this, you will get several options with this app. So simply tap on the Bigo live stream and hit on the install button. After you tap on the install button, it will take some time to get completely downloaded in your Android device. So once it is downloaded, you can even get the installing button. So after the installing process is also completed, you can simply tap open your Bigo live stream app from the Play Store itself, or you can open it via your home screen. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.